It's a condo.
So how have you guys been?
Well, they got into there.
So this is our condo. Oh, big pala ang living room mo. Big the living room ah. Yan yung palabasan papunta sa river.
So I guess I'm getting all this furniture out. I'll ask you, make sure.
This is the kitchen. So this is our kitchen here. So dito pag naghugas ka ng plato, ito yung dito yung. Pag tamad ka maghugas dito mo, dito mo ilagay. Ito yung ano mga kabinet. Yes, baby. So ayan. Meron tayong microwave, mga cabinet dito. Tapos ayan dito tayo. Mayroong libreng lutuan. Electric stove. Mga cabinet dito. Meron tayong libreng rep. Ayan. Spray na rep. Tapos meron tayong laundry. Meron tayong spray na laundry. May kasamang laundry na siya. Ayan. So, turn on lights, babe. Turn on lights. Ito. So, this is our this is our bathroom. We have bathtub in here. You know. So, this is our bathtub. Nice, huh? Love it. So, nakalagay our toilet. Yun yung cabinet. Merong salamin. Ayan. So, ito yung room. Naglagay sila ng dalawang bed dito. Pero hindi yan sa amin. Ito yung room. Oh, big naman pala ang room. Ayan, pero hindi sa amin yung magamit. Kukunin pa yan sa may-ari. Ayan. Ito yung big ang room. Tapos ito yung cabinet lagay ng mga damit. So, ayan. Lagay ng mga malita dito. Nice, huh? Ano to? Cabinet? For ano to? For? Okay. That's one.
Should be your
This
air
one.
conditioning and your hot water heater.
Oh, some...
There's your linen closet.
Nice. Completely.
Yeah. And we'll change this out.
Itong yung rip. Oo nga. Video paano na siya. Low. This is old na siya.
And we'll change this out.
Oo. Siya. Ito yung natin, oven. Naging oven. Aroma na siya. Kasi may nakatira dito. May nakatira kasi yung may-ari dito. So, alis na sila. Kasi binili na namin. So, pinukuha na yung mga gamit nila dito. Ayan. Ano? Santina, you like it? Do you like it, Santina? Huh?
They work.
It's working?
Yeah. There's the dryer. That's the washer.
Uh-huh.
See?
This is the washer, dryer, washer. Yeah. Just power on the sink. Then,
Powerful wash. Hey!
oh my God, do here our room. Ito yung mga cabinet dito. Ang lagay ng mga damit. Ayan. So hindi sa amin yung mga gamit dito, sa may-ari pa to. Kunin pa to nila. Kunin pa yan. Yeah, it's nice, huh? I like it.
Yeah, we got the doors over here.
Big the living room, big the room.
Look at the Canadian geese up there.
Nice, no? Pero itong bed, kunin pa yun sa owner yan. Sa owner. Sa may-ari yan, kukunin pa yan. Ang kwarto dito si Michael, so hatiin niya dito. Gagawa niya ng wall, tapos isang room dito. So dito na lang yung living room. Just
And then, like I said,
The duck over there.
Sorry.
Tara, let's go.
Don't jump in that. Yep.
Do not jump, ha? So, we're going to the wall. So, dito yung labasan. So, malawak dito. Super lawak dito. So, ayan yung labasan namin na punta dito. Yung merong nakatira dito. Stop running na, ha? Kaya you will hurt. Ayan o, dito yung river nila. Ayun, punta tayo sa duck. Merong duck. The duck. What the duck? It's big. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Ito yung river dito. Guys, ayan. Oh, gusto ko dito. Ang sarap ng hangin. Ang sarap dito mag-relax-relax. Yung tagay-tagay. Charot. Tagay-tagay. Or pumutagay ba? Pero ako pala inom. Ayan. Punta tayo sa swimming pool. What part you hit? What? Your head?
Yeah, and then put a kick.
Sorry. What happened when Santino's running? Then you hit on the wall? Oh. Did you see? Sorry, Santino? Okay, so ito yung swimming pool. Come here, just right here. So ito yung swimming pool dito. No, no, close. Do not touch it. So ayun, meron silang lamesa dito. Ayun o. Nice kayo ng swimming pool. Wow. So anong swimming pool? Ayun o, doon merong maliit na swimming pool. Meron din malaki. This is the deep one, the big one. Right, we're going to the small. Come here. We're going to small. Yes. Yeah, that
really deep. That was 5 deep.
Yeah, that's so deep water. I think that one is not deep water. Yeah, we're going to look up. Maraming nakatira dito kasi maraming kundo eh. Maraming nakatira dito. Binang-benta yung mga kundo dito kasi may swimming pool tapos in front, malapit lang sa river. Santino nga, stop it. Stop really. So ayan o. Ay, not deep the water be. The kids can swim here. Huh? And there's for kids. I think this is for kids because not really deep the water. So nice kayo di ari guys. So this month na kami lilipat. Hinayos pa yung namin mga nagpipirma pa kami para sa pangalan namin yung titulo. So ayun. Para yung titulo maging sa pangalan na nakalagay doon. So pipirman pa namin itong buwan. So Santino, tara, we're going back. Let's go. Come on. Because I'm sure Daddy try to find us. I think he's trying to find us. Yeah?
If I would run off on myself a little cave, my mom had to find.
You like in here, Liam? You like in here? Clean around. And they have swimming pool. We can enjoy in here. We can running in here, exercise, work out. We can jogging in here. Oh. This is nice. We can jogging in here, walking in here. I can jogging here. So nice, love it.
We gotta go back. Xander's gotta go home. She's got things to do.
You like in here, Santino?
We're not moving in till
You like in here?
11 days, 12 days. It'll be that week.
So, gawaan lang ni Michael ng isang room. Dito ang maging living room, tapos dito ang maging kwarto namin, tapos doon kwarto ni Santino. So, it's big. It's nice, so pretty. Ito magamit dito sa amin, kukunin pa kami nangyari. Kasi bibili ng kami. Diba? We have laundry, dryer. I wash washing and dryer, and we have microwave, electric stove, my ref, diba? Nice kayo. So nice. So, we have ito yung ref. So, yan. No, nice kayo. Microwave, mga cabinet. Ang dami sa electric stove pag magluluto. So, ito yung dito maghuhugas. Yan, yung prep. Itong safety. Itong water na to, siguro, hot and cold. The aircon. This is the aircon in living room. Wow. So, yung kabit na yan, yung mga heater sa water. At aircon. Oh, so nice in here. You like in here, Santino? Really? Wow, so nice in here. Grabe. I love it so much. Love it so much. Right now, we're going back to home. Ang dami namang dito. Ay, ito yung swimming pool. Paglabas ng pinto, swimming pool. Paglabas. O, diba? Paglabas ng pinto, swimming pool na. Paglabas din sa kabila, river. So, marami nakatira dito. Oy, guys! Wait! Magtatambay yung mga sasakyan. Walang mapubo yung mga sasakyan. Nagkabila lang sa init. So, pauwi na kami kasi tapos na namin tinignan yung kondo kung anong dapat gawin doon. So, gawaan ni Michael ng isang room doon. Kasi malaki naman yung living room. So, uwi na kami. Mainit today, mainit.
Does somebody come in your house?
The summer is back.
Check.
So, babalik na kami. Uwi na kami tapos na kami bumisita sa kondo. Sobrang ganda.
See where the river is out the back door?
Yeah.
Do you like
Like I said, I'll put a wall there. That'll be a bedroom. Build a cabinet in there so I can put my clothes. His clothes can go in one. You got two big cabinets in the other bedroom.
Oh.
Your clothes can go in one, and his clothes can go in the
Oh,
other.
that for Santino and
Yeah, you and him.
Joy? You want joy?
for now you can put also your
I can build a little cabinet in the room I'm going to build. You understand where I'm going to put the wall at?
yeah.
And then on that wall, on the outside, will be the living room. That'll be the TV.
Oh.
Then I have a table. We'll put a small square table over at the window, and that's where we'll eat at. You see what I'm saying?
So
He needs his own bedroom here.
yeah. So we're eating in on that living room, our table in living room to eat.
Yes, it ain't living room. That'll be the dining room,
Our dining room.
right off the kitchen. And I'll get new appliances in about 6 months. New water or new stove, new microwave, new ref, new dishwasher. That one at the bottom of the dishwasher, you put dishes in there, it washes itself, so you don't have to wash dishes no more.
You buy a new,
All new, dude.
all new.
And I'll change the floor too.
Then where you keep the old?
Throw it in the garbage.
Really?
Where I keep it.
Kaya sa bagay guys.
Those are old
It's
refs.
older naman, old na yung, they're old, that looks old naman the, you're right.
What's so old? What? He's gonna put a pool away.
Throw it away.
Yeah. Ah, ang init na, grabe, sobrang init na.
Just the floor.
Hot na hot. You think the summer is back?
Floor.
Month of summer, no?
I like the floor. Now you put.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for
Floor in there, yeah.
watching.
Floor.